Hello, you guys. Good morning. Today is 19th of June, and I thought, why just not vlog it? So, what's happening today? Abhi, I am going to Smile's place with Disha, and I just took a bath and I'm just gonna dry my hair. So, yeah, the plan is to study revise cardiology today, some parts of it, and yeah, after that, I have one class, and yeah, I'll take you guys along.
Yeah, I've dried my hair. They are dry more or less. The wind is so strong outside that they will dry by themselves anyway. But yeah. Now I have a Temu package to open, but I don't know if I'll shoot or not.
So I'll open the rest of the package after some time, but yeah, I wanted to show you one cover. Like, I've got new cover for my phone, a pretty average cover. So yeah, it is a card holder. Like, yeah, so much of pink, but it is what I liked. So but the print quality is not as what I expected, but it's just a cover. The update is cover is defective. I have to return it. One thing I decided to open and show it to you guys turned out to be defective. Okay.
Hold me close till I get up.
So, guys, I'm at Smile's place and we are doing our nails. One more, yeah, me. One more thing I ordered from Temu is are these nails. So yeah, I'm just trying to find out the sizes because my nail bed is really small. Guys, my nails are done. So yeah, कुछ ऐसे दिख रहे हैं. A little uncomfortable, but इसलिए because आदत नहीं है. बाकी तो सही लग रहे हैं. Do let me know.
Through the highways and on we'll go.
So guys, coming back to my vlog, the update is we did cardiology, then solved some questions, and then we did custom module for ENT because recently we completed ENT, and then we are looking for food now because we are again hungry. And meanwhile, my class got cancelled. I was supposed to go to the class, but there is no class, and now I'm doing all this because I have nails on. So yeah, Smiley is not able to figure out what to make, and yeah, we are in this dilemma because we can't eat outside food. And yeah, if we make something, I'll show you.
So guys, who's here to join me to start a petition every time Archita ji says, oh, so guys, before every shot, we need to stop. She needs to stop. This is obsession.
Guys, now we are leaving Smile's place, and Smile has a class, and we are going to gym. Like, Disha has to pick up her clothes from Sitare Barigi.
So guys, bye.
So guys, yeah. So the thing is, we are going to the gym, and yeah, next shot you'll see from gym. Within 5 minutes of shooting the last clip, plans changed, and we are now in the grocery store to shop some groceries. Yeah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go,
So guys, आज कुछ भी प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रहा. The plan was to do leg day, but then we saw कि trainer stretching करा रही थी और for 1 hour straight we did stretching and a little bit of Pilates. So yeah, that was it. Look at my face after it. So hello guys, it's day 2 and I have an exam today. Like the last vlog you saw, my internal medicine internship started. So yeah, it's just the closing of the posting. So yeah, exam day, and after that Mudit has its badminton championship today, so we'll go there and see how he's playing. So yeah, that's the plan.
'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to.
So guys, the exam is done. So yeah, the MCQ part was easy, but I forgot one subjective question which was about the CPAP, this continuous positive expiration or something. So I forgot the parameters of it. Other than that, the exam was okay. Yeah, I did well. So yeah, marks I'll know after some time. And yeah, that is the end of my internal medicine internship. I'm done with internal medicine rotation now, and I'm only left with like 2 rotations. One is ongoing and one will start from 7th of July, and then the end of my student life era. I don't know how it feels right now, but yeah.
Thinking twice about me. What if it goes wrong? What if it goes right? What if these things I'm saying make you change your mind? I've never been one to cry. I can't stop the tears raining down.
Manager, coach, godfather for all sports in Georgia.
Guys, in our vlog, Ruchika, Nimish,
Godfather.
Rituraj Fitness.
फॉर्मर चैंपियन मिस अर्चिता यहाँ पे मैच देखता हूँ. वैसे इनॉग्रल चैंपियन यही है.
Yeah.
इनॉग्रल टूर्नामेंट
Mudit's
की
first
चैंपियन.
gold was with me. Like I played with him and he got a gold. Let's see if today. Last year he did. He got silver because I was not playing. I think. So guys,
Guys, don't you think she's showing off her nails too much?
तोड़ देगी नेल ये 2 दिन में.
so guys, Rituraj Singh Fitness is also here. Rituraj again.
Jaundice.
I'm for some fitness stuff here. अशोक फिटनेस. अशोक फिटनेस से मैंने भी एक रैकेट खरीदा है. अगले साल चैंपियन बनूंगा मैं. अरे वो अशोक फिटनेस था या अजय फिटनेस था हाउसफुल वाला.
They are talking to a former gold medalist. तुमने बोला नहीं मैं former gold medalist हूँ.
अरे हाँ ना.
है ना? In our 4th year we played
Retirement
like
के बाद आई है देखने.
yeah. I took retirement after 4th year. Mudit got gold because I played with him in 4th year. In 5th year, I did not play with him. He got silver. Today, let's see. I'm not playing as well, but let's see if he gets gold.
बहुत बड़े वाली नार्सिसिस्ट है.
I know he will get the gold. I hope he gets the gold. I'm here to support him, but अगर ये आज किस्मत में नहीं जाता है तो मैं ये कहना पसंद करूंगी कि गोल्ड मेरी किस्मत का ही है.
देखो गाली खाएगी ये.
So Ruchika, what is your conclusion?
She's a traitor.
Guys, Mudit got silver, he could not get gold. But yeah.
But he played really,
Yeah, he played really well. But अभी मेरे को पता मेरे को जूते पड़ेंगे अगर मैंने कुछ बोला तो. But still, मेरी किस्मत तो मेरी किस्मत ही रही.
पनौती है तुम.
मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा भाई, पनौती क्या. जिस टाइम मैं खेली थी साथ में तो गोल्ड आया था. उसके बाद मैं खेली नहीं तो फिर गोल्ड भी तब से आ नहीं पा रहा है.
अभी हम मॉल जाते हैं.
Yeah. The
शॉपिंग
plan is to go to the mall अभी.
पहले कुछ खाते हैं.
हाँ, let's eat something and then we'll go to the mall.
See you there.
Congratulations.
Him, guys. Congratulate in the comments.
And Surbhi also.
Congratulate her in the comments.
Guys, comment तो कर देना.
Back to back 3 finals.
हाँ. Guys, one thing we have to say: back to back 3 finals.
Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one night stand. Trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I
Guys, इतिहास गवाह है. जब मैंने मैप्स की लीड ना लेके दिशा पे छोड़ी है बात. ईस्ट पॉइंट जाना था, 20 मिनट का रास्ता था, 50 मिनट हो गए हैं. मशूदका में ही है, अलग पहाड़ों पे जाए जा रहे हैं. बैठिए गॉगल्स लगा के. कितने मौके आप एक इंसान को देते हो, उसके बाद आप उसको जूता मार देते हो. कितने मौके. इसी के शहर के दूसरे एंड पे हमें ले आई है. ईस्ट पॉइंट अभी तक नहीं आ पा रहा है. 50 बार ईस्ट पॉइंट गए हैं पर ये वाला रास्ता आज अनोखा ही देखा है हमने. देखा है तूने कभी ये रास्ता?
एक्सप्लोर करवा रही है दिशा.
डीसीसी के बाद अब जंगल भी आ चुके हैं. हम अभी तक नहीं पहुंचे हैं. गाइस, कब्रिस्तान भी आ गया है. गाइस, तो हमें कब्रिस्तान भी मिल गया है पर ईस्ट पॉइंट नहीं मिला है. पर मुझे उम्मीद है, मैं बोल रही थी कि मेरे को उम्मीद है कि अगले 10 मिनट में तो हम पहुंच ही जाएंगे या 15 मिनट में, क्योंकि उसके बाद तो शहर ही ख़त्म है. तो अगर तब भी नहीं पहुंचे तो गाइस आपको पता है, आपने कमेंट सेक्शन में किसको एक एक जूता मारना है. दिख गया H&M दिख गया. H&M दिखा मुझे. दिख गया गाइस, दिख गया. हम पहुंच गए.
उड़ के भी जाएंगे तो जल्दी पहुंचेंगे.
हम चल के भी आते तो भी जल्दी पहुंचते.
हम पूरे 1 घंटे 20 मिनट के बाद पहुंच चुके हैं. ऐसा रास्ता जो हम आधे घंटे में आराम से पहुंच सकते हैं. इन माई डिफेंस में
बोलने दे, फुटेज लंबा हो जाएगा.
इन माई डिफेंस में बता दूं कि मैप में 18 स्टॉप्स दिखा रहा था और इनकी लाइफ की बेस्ट राइड होगी है. इतनी सिटी तो इन्होंने 3 साल में नहीं देखी होगी.
देखिए बेस्ट राइड के रिएक्शन.
दिख रहा है मेरी हालत. मेरे को हो रहा है मोशन सिकनेस, बीपीपीवी, सब कुछ हो गया है मुझको.
और अब लोग वापस आ रहे हैं मॉल से. हम मॉल में जा रहे हैं. ठीक है गाइज, अब और हिम्मत रही नहीं व्लॉग करने की. सो
See you in next vlog, bitches. डाल दिया.
आपको पता चल रहा होगा कि क्यों हम दिशा को ही बोलते हैं.
Love you.
in my nose that I'm never gonna send to you, saying